In order to carry out this repair, we have to switch to the back side of our dryer. First, we want to detach the top hood by removing the screws on either side of the top. We can now undo the top hood from the dryer. In order for us to get to the inside of the dryer, the screws from the rear plate on the left hand side have to be removed as well. When we've done this, the side plate on the left of the rear can be removed. On the bottom, we can see the engine of the dryer. The tensioner where the belt is tied around is attached on the left side. First, we have to remove the belt from its position by twisting the engine upwards and loosening it from its axle. Then we pick the tensioner's lock ring off with our screwdriver. We can now loosen the tensioner from the axle too. Put the new tensioner in its place and push the lock ring back onto the axle. Now we twist the engine upwards again, so we can put the belt around the axle on the track of the tensioner. Put the side plate back in its place and screw it together with the back plate. Only the top hood remains, which we now reattach with our remaining screws.